Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about inheritance concept. It is comes under the categories of Unit 3. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about different types of inheritance, why we are using the inheritance concept in Java programming, and what are all the types of inheritance. For example, single inheritance, multiple inheritance, and multi-level inheritance, hybrid inheritance. We have a different type of inheritance like that. Then, what is the example for this inheritance of aspect also we are going to discuss in this Unit 3 chapter. Now, I am moving towards further in this slide. Okay, what is inheritance in Java? Inheritance in Java is a mechanism in which one object acquires all the properties and behaviors of parent object. We already discussed about what is object, what is class, why we are using the programming concept. Inheritance, in that inheritance in Java mechanism, it is nothing but the object having some properties and behaviors. The properties and behaviors we are going to use in our programming concept. So we call it as it is inheritance. Simply we say, for example, the child the child having a, hereditary options of activities, behaviors, and some aspect of related aspect of the parent, child is also having that is also a real-time example for inheritance concept. Like that, in your program you are going to use properties and behaviors or member functions or parameters. The properties and behaviors and member functions, what we are going to do in inheritance concept means we are going to use that same properties and inheritance to our programming concept also. Why use inheritance in Java? That it is for method overriding function. Already we have a method. That method we are going to use for further process of activities or enhancing the programming approach. We are going to use that inheritance behaviors of the object. It is also called as a polymorphism concept. So runtime polymorphism can be achieved through inheritance also. So the major aspect of approach is it is for code reusability, or code reusability options. Here we are seeing syntax of Java inheritance. The Java, it's having class and subclass name. After that, extends and superclass name is also there. This is the simple concept of inheritance syntax. Then methods and fields we are going to giving here. For example, the extends keyword indicates that you are making a new class that derives from the existing class. So if we are going to use that extends keyword means what it indicates, the new class going to derives from the existing class information. So that's why we are using this extends keyword. The meaning of extends is to increase the functionality. For best example, class employee, float salary equal to 40,000. In the class programmer, extends employee. Here I am giving that extends that keyword. So in this class, it's having some variables. I'm going to use that variable in employee for the class programmer also. That is additionally it is having int bonus equals to 10,000. So public static, this area, it is called as a public static void main string area. It is for declaring the object areas. So curly braces open. Then for this programmer, what I'm going to do here, create a P. It is an object equal to new programmer. That is method functions. Then system dot out dot println. Programmer salary is P dot salary. Then system.out.println of bonus of programmer is p dot bonus. Then p dot salary and p dot bonus. Programmer salary is 40,000 and bonus of programmer is 10,000. So extends keyword indicates that you are making a new class that derives from the existing class. The meaning of extends is to increase the functionality. Okay. I hope you are understand this concept. So inheritance, it is nothing but behavior and functionality of the existing class we are going to use. We have a different type of inheritance, but this is the keyword for a syntax for a Java inheritance concept. In that, we are going to use extends keyword that indicates that what is the main class. It is having some properties and behaviors. We are going to use the properties and behaviors in extends keyword. Okay, thank you.